TikTok is no longer just a platform for dances and memes. It's where brands are building empires. If you're not using TikTok to drive your campaigns, you're leaving money on the table. Stay tuned, because today, I'm sharing actionable strategies to help you dominate TikTok and grow your brand like never before. TikTok has redefined digital marketing. With over 1 billion active users, it's a playground for creativity and engagement. Its algorithm favors authentic content, making it easier for brands to connect with their target audience. If you want to stay ahead, TikTok should be a cornerstone of your marketing strategy. The first step to success is understanding who you're speaking to. TikTok's analytics tools can help you identify your audience's demographics, interests, and behavior. When you tailor your content to their preferences, you're not just posting, you're building a connection. On TikTok, authenticity beats perfection. Users value real, relatable content. Skip the polished ads and focus on raw footage, behind-the-scenes moments, or participating in challenges. This approach humanizes your brand and fosters trust with your audience. Trends are the lifeblood of TikTok. From viral challenges to popular sounds, aligning your content with these trends can skyrocket your visibility. Stay updated on what's trending and find creative ways to incorporate it into your campaigns while staying true to your brand. TikTok creators hold the power to amplify your reach. Partnering with influencers who align with your brand helps you tap into their loyal audience. Choose influencers whose style resonates with your brand values for genuine, impactful collaborations. TikTok ads are a game changer for brands looking to scale quickly. Options like in-feed ads, branded hashtag challenges, and Spark ads let you target specific audiences with precision. A well-placed ad can drive massive engagement, build brand awareness, and boost conversions. TikTok is the ultimate platform for brands willing to think outside the box. By knowing your audience, staying authentic, leveraging trends, collaborating with influencers, and utilizing paid ads, you can unlock TikTok's full potential. Ready to take your campaigns to the next level? Let me know your TikTok goals in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips. Until next time, keep growing and keep creating.